This is Mitch, and this is the jump of death.
Alrighty then. You're gonna die. It's him all the way down there. He's coming fast. This is it, Mitch. This is it. Let's see. This is where it went wrong. Just dug into the meat.
Oh man.
Yep.
My feet got stuck.
Your feet really did get stuck. Let's get a shot of those feet. That's no good. What do you have to say about that, Mitch?
Fucking awesome.
Alrighty then.
Oh, my feet are sticky.
That's it, Jesse.
Holy shit.
That was awesome.
That was mad. I thought you were going to fall off and like go back first or something.
So you just give us a shot.
He snapped.